Hello all traders, hope all is fine with you and doing well. We're gonna review the trade that I have taken during the week of Monday 7th of April till Friday 11th of April. And if we look at the daily charts, we see in the past 5 days we had very high volatility, more than 10 times than usual normal range. And as you see, the daily range changed from 8% on Monday to very large bullish candle on Wednesday that went up to 13%. And if you look at the past history, we have seen such a strong daily ranges only during the COVID pandemic that we had such a large drops and also retracements. And as you have seen from the live trades that were published, these are the 3 long position I have taken on Monday, when on the macro chart we had rejection at this level of support. So I took long positions on this uptrend waves that had still room till resistance area, and I entered here and exit here with setup T on Nasdaq, Dow Jones here, and S&P 500. And you see the entry and exits. And these are the trades that I have taken on Tuesday. And as you see here, we had again this bullish candle that broke this level here, and we had this uptrend channel on all E-minis. So you see the entry here when the retracements got completed, and exits in the middle of the channel, and the same trades on Dow Jones and S&P 500. And on Wednesday, when I came back to trade, the price had a strong bullish candle and it was in upper area of the channel. So this channel was taken with setup C here, considering the uptrend wave, and was closed in the middle of channel with profit. And the bullish candle here again, long position in the lower area of the channel on Dow Jones, and was closed in the upper area of the channel, and the same for S&P 500 for quick scalp, and these were also closed with profit. And on Thursday, the macro chart was very bearish, as you see here on all E-minis. So I was looking for any opportunity to enter the trades, and here when I saw the sellers were pushing the price down strongly, I entered here with breakout, and this channel of the downtrend was taken. Here is entry and exits in the middle of channel, and the same on the Dow Jones, entry and exits, and S&P 500 was taken and were closed in the middle area of the channel with profit. And on Friday, the market was close to the area of the support, but the bearish candle on the macro chart was very strong, and there was opportunity to break that. So when I saw some pullback and re-entry on this channel that was gaining momentum here, I entered here one sell short position and closed in the lower area of the channel. And again on this area I entered another sell short position, and here also another sell short position. So these 3 sell short positions with setup T were closed with profit. And when the price tested this level of support on Dow Jones and the buyers came back here, I took long position here with setup B, and these were also closed with profit. So that was the summary of the live trade that I have taken during the week. And on the small 5K CFD prop firm accounts, these are the list of trades I have taken during the week. For the first 2 days that the volatility was better and we had a good uptrend swings, I took a lot of long positions on Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and S&P 500 CFDs, and you can see profit and loss here. And on the last 2 days that become very bearish and the volatility increased, I had sell short positions that due to high volatility had break-even position, and as a result of these trades we reached a total profit of $166.30 with the profit factor of 1.14. And the stat on the second stage of the challenge on this account shows that from the total number of 602 trades, we had 471 winners with the average win rate of 78%. And this shows the equity curve of the account that was consistent before the introduction of trade war and tariffs and a lot of unexpected news and tweets. So currently I have open position that are hedged, and I will continue to trade it with a small lot size. When the market volatility become normal with a smooth trends similar to the daily range and a smooth trends that we had before. For now, the volatility is exceptionally high, so the important points here is to keep the account alive and survive this period. And when the market becomes smooth and trendy like before, we will continue to increase the lot size and trade this account aggressively. So I hope this trade taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping on the futures and the small CFD profit account is useful for you. And let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day and also weekend.